Hey guys, Scarlett at Build Across here, getting ready to show you guys how I paint this surfboard cutout. This is a paint by line, which means that all the lines are etched in for me by the machine. And I'm going to go in first and paint the sand in the color Putty by Dixie Belle. And all the colors I use in this video will be Dixie Belle chalk paint, my very favorite paint, which can be purchased on buildacross.com. You can also purchase this cutout and the brushes I use on our website, buildacross.com. I'm going in now with the color of the Gulf. And I'm base coating the left side of my surfboard, and then on my right surfboard I'm going in and just doing a line that I'll go in and blend later. Again, just adding this cobalt color that I'll blend later. And then I'm going to go in and add Dixie Belle blue. And then next I will add the color Peacock for my last section on this blue surfboard. And then I'll go in and just blend all those colors together. And now I'm going to go back in on my left surfboard and I'm going to base coat that right side in the color Limeade. After this, I'm going to go in and just rinse that brush off. It's a number 12 flats, what I've used for everything thus far. And I'm just going to rinse that off and go in again with the color Cotton by Dixie Belle, which is their whitest and brightest white. And I'm going to paint a couple sections on my beach ball. And then I'm going to finish my beach ball off by going in with the color Flamingo and the color Peony, which is a bright hot pink color. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to swap my brush for a number 4 round and some black paint, and that's when I will begin to outline everything. If you want a cleaner, sharper outline, I will recommend going in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker, but for this look, I like to go in with paint and just kind of hit everything here and there as in a loose outline. And then once I'm done outlining everything, I'm going to go in with a little bit of white paint and highlight everything to brighten it up. And I also used a little bit of the color Chocolate for the sand. I just kind of highlighted around the different areas there. In the end, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.